Guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to watch YouTube video together on Messenger. Facebook Messenger allow you to share your screen within an app. Here's how to access the option. First, call your friends you want to watch YouTube video together. While on the video call on Messenger, then swipe up and press share your screen. Press start broadcast. Then tap minimize call. And go to YouTube app and then play the video you want to watch with your friend. While you are screen sharing, there will be a red frame around the time. Tap it whenever you want to stop screen sharing and press stop broadcast and press stop watching and stop screen sharing and press stop broadcast. It's important to note you can only share your screen when there are participants in the call.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.